right now. I'm looking for you. I'm looking for you. Okay. Okay. There's a few. Can the pet lovers and the non-pet lovers agree that there's an overpopulation of cats, free roaming cats in your neighborhood or in other neighborhoods around the Bay Area? Okay, great. So that's why I want to encourage the use of TNR, or trap, neuter, and return. This is a method that will help the overpopulation of free roaming cats, as well as improve the comfort level and the well-being of your neighborhood. So what's the TNR method and how does it work? Well, first, there's the T for trap. So look online, you can find a good, not humane trap online or at your local pet or hardware store. We have a lot of free roaming cats in our neighborhood, and we found a really good trap from a company called Have-A-Heart. Easy to use, but the trick about a trap is try it before you use it. We had 2 kittens that our mother cat had in the backyard that we were trying to trap. So the first kitten comes in, walks in, trips the trap, caught the kitten, success. Now the second kitten walks in, sits right on the trigger platform, eats its food, and then walks right back out. Oh my gosh, I was pulling my hair out. So we were prepared the second time. The kitten walked in, sat on the trigger again, wasn't heavy enough to trigger it, but I was prepared. I had a stick and I triggered the trap. The door closed. Success. Whew. Long story short, try the trap before you use it. Once you've caught the cat or the kitten in a trap, your job's not over yet. Put a towel over the cage to reduce the stress of the cat. And now the end part of the equation comes in. Take the cat to a no-kill veterinarian or pet clinic and take it there. They should be able to neuter the cat or spay the cat, depending on its sex. They should vaccinate the cat and ear tip the cat. Ear tipping is really important. What ear tipping involves is them, this sounds painful, cutting off the top 3/8 portion of the cat's ear. Ow, I wouldn't want that to happen to me. But don't fret, this is done while the cat is under for the neutering or spaying. So it doesn't hurt the cat. But it's really important because it is a universal symbol that the cat has been neutered or spayed. So it doesn't go through this process, or a person trying to catch the cat doesn't go through this whole process over again. Then once a cat has recovered, you do the R part of things, return the cat back to its original location. This is really important because cats are territorial. When you take a cat out of its territory, you leave a void in that space or that colony, and other cats will eventually come in and fill the void. So you don't solve the problem of overpopulation. Some people also think that relocating the cat is a great idea, but the cat will come back the very next day. The cat will come back. You thought you relocated him, but the cat will come back. He just won't stay away. That's right, the cat could still come back if you relocate him to the same area you caught him. This time he could be injured, or he could fight with those other cats that took over his territory. So you're causing more problems than you're solving. But after that, you might ask, how is this going to solve the problem of the comfort level, increasing the comfort level and also the well-being of my neighborhood? Well, it's going to reduce the nuisance level of bad cat behavior. What's those bad cats? I'm sure you've all heard or been woken up in the middle of the night. The mother cat or the female cat meow, meow, crying while it's mating season and getting jiggy with the other cats. There also is fighting of cats that really causes neighborhood complaints. So that's going to cut down on those. You're also going to cut down on the kitten ratio that you have and stabilize the cat population. This is also going to help the friendly and the cats and kittens that are able to be socialized, to be adopted out of the vets or the pet clinics. So it's a win-win situation. We have 2 cats. You probably have seen our one cat, Meowster, on our pet videos. And we have an outdoor cat named Foxy Mama. Well, Foxy Mama is Foxy because she has red hair and she is a mom. So naturally, Foxy Mama. Meowster was friendly enough when we caught him that he became our house cat and a very loving cat. While Mama is not as socialized and she lives outside and lives in our backyard, but she's treated really nice. She's got her own house and she's got a heated blanket. So primo dibs for her. This shows, as well as her 2 kittens that we did the TNR method, that the TNR method really does work and it helps improve the lives of the cats and the pet owners or pet caretakers as well. Overall, the TNR method is going to help with the overpopulation of the free roaming cats in your neighborhood. It also is going to help with the comfort level and with the well-being by increasing those for everybody around. And I hope that I've shown that it's going to help the next time you have a cat problem. Everybody on board with the TNR method? Okay, I want to leave with this quick quote. There's no greater gift than the love of a cat by Charles Dickens. Thank you.